So we have got a whole bunch of work done since we were last here. Let's jump inside and have a look to see what the team has been up to. So right off the bat, we've got this cool little coffered ceiling going on here. This is going to house the over-the-counter hood fan, because the only place that we could find a home for the hood or for the stove was in the island. So that's what that's all about. So that'll get drywalled and look really cool once it's all done. The team has finished getting all of the leveling done of the ceiling. So that's been done with the steel stud. Electricians have been through, got all of their pot lights and wire in. So all that's done. Got low voltage here for under cabinet lighting. Drop the ceiling as needed to hide things like plumbing and ducting. So yeah, we've got all the electrical rough-in done. The plumbing rough-in is happening right now. I think they're pretty close to being done, if not already done. And we've got R&B here getting the furnace ducting redone and sorted out. So these guys are hard at work painting on the liquid sealant. So that'll eliminate any air leakage from the pipes. That's about it for today. Thanks for watching.